What do we know? How many hot dogs did Mrs. Serreris eat in the competition? She ate... Let's look at the question. Mrs. Serreris was in a hot dog eating competition. She ate 7 hot dogs in the semifinals, and she ate 11 hot dogs in the finals. So how many hot dogs did she eat in the semifinals?
Okay, I think this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Well, let's write it down.
No, one more. That's what I mean. One more. And 7. That's it. 8. Ouch. Wait, put these back.
Now, are you having trouble counting using your fingers?
7 and
So,
11.
could we use something else that's easier to count so we don't have to keep moving our fingers?
Hey!
What else could you use?
Turn to color. I don't know. Do your thing now. My turn to write. No. Yeah. I have a million.
Okay, so you got these counters. How many counters are you going to use?
It's that much.
Okay.
Me 11 now.
So, where are the hot dogs that Mrs. Serreris ate in the first one? She ate how many?
Just wait.
So, can you tell me what you're trying to do here?
Wait. That's it. Is that 11?
Let's count. You're trying to make 11, so let's see. Count it. Let's double check.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Okay, so there's how many she ate in the final. How many did she eat in the semifinal? Said Mrs. Serreris ate 7 hot dogs in the semifinal and 11 hot dogs in the final. We want to find out how many hot dogs she ate in the competition. So how many more? How many counters?
Okay, I'll make 7.
Okay.
That's what 7 is. Stop saying dude. We don't need these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
So how many hot dogs did Mrs. Serreris eat in the whole competition?
Wait. 1, 2, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Maybe the answer is 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 11.
There we go. Mrs. Serreris ate 18 hot dogs in the competition. Good job. So now let's write out our sentence to explain it, okay? So you saw Mrs. Serreris ate how many hot dogs? How did you figure that out?
We start at 7, then we skip count to 10, then we did one more, it's 11, then that's how the answer is 18.
Stop spitting on my face.
And now, but we wrote 14 hot dogs, so what do we need to do?
So we need to erase this instead of...
It's backwards. Oh my god. Okay, tell someone else. I would need to figure mine.
Then 18.
I gotta erase it.
No, he's trying to...
Why are you okay? Okay. What?
So, you told me that the answer is 18. How did you figure it out?
I used the Heinz chart.
Okay.
I did. Mrs. Serreris ate 7 hot dogs.
Yeah. So she ate 7 hot dogs in the semifinals. How many hot dogs did she eat in the finals?
11.
Okay. And then how did you find out that made 18?
Because I think it's 7 plus 11 equal 18.
Yeah.
I thought that.
Yeah.
And these 2 are for Mrs. Dewar.
Okay. And so did you figure out how many Mrs. Dewar ate in the finals? Okay. So there's our next step. Is we're going to try and figure out how many hot dogs Mrs. Dewar ate in the finals. So you used the open number line to figure out how many hot dogs Mrs. Serreris ate. And so can you explain how you use the open number line?
First there are 7, so I wrote 7 here.
Yeah.
You're not allowed to 10, 17, and you jumped to one more to 18.
And why did you choose to use 10 to make your jump? Okay. Now, here you chose to use 10's frames to show how many Mrs. Dewar ate in the finals. Do you think you could show this using an open number line? Do you think you could try? Because let's look at what we have. How many hot dogs did Mrs. Dewar eat in the whole competition? 19. Okay.
I'm gonna make some.
Then how many hot dogs did she eat in the semifinals?
9.
Okay. So let's write that down. So she ate 19 in the whole competition. How many did she eat in the finals?
9.
Okay. So now what we could do is we could put our 9 right here.
Okay. 4.
So what jump do you need to make to get from 19 to 9? Or 9 to 19?
It says.
So no, you can use the open number line to do subtraction too. Pretty neat, eh?